In this video, you're going to see us do a complete color change in a house. We're going with Web Gray by Sherwin Williams, Super Paint. We're doing white soffits. We're painting the gutters white as well. My buddy just had the gutters changed 1 year ago, so they're practically brand new. Instead of changing them again for $1,500, he opted to just have them shot. We're using Super Paint by Sherwin Williams. The sprayer we're using is the Magnum Pro X17 by Graco. The tips that I'll be using are 315 for the soffits, that's a 6-inch pattern, and the 515 tip for the main house body, that's a 10-inch pattern. Let me know if you liked the video. Subscribe over here, wherever it's at. Check it out. Right now we're outside of the job, pressure washing the gutters over here. He just had these done last year, so didn't want to change them. We're going to paint them also. As you can see, all the paint is coming off on the front side and the other side, left side, which is the evening sun. So right now we have the wrought iron railing. It's just grinding it apart right now. Getting all the corrosion. This stuff's in really poor condition. We're taping the windows up, getting ready to spray this.
¡10 years!
Windows and doors, get a quick taping.
Can't reach that one.
I just for the screen, like $40 on Amazon, and I just used the video and I did it myself.
I feel like there's nothing you can't learn on YouTube now.
Spraying some gutters right now. We got the soffits done. No photo? Putting on the first coat of paint right now. Scraping it if any of it lifts from the original stuff. Just doing a little touch-ups right now.